And here we are. And here with
What's
me, my
good,
right, got
YouTube,
Honest.
man? How y'all coming? How y'all day been?
And there's the bell to
But
start
look,
the
man,
round.
let's jump straight into this video. This video is just a ranked match, normal ranked match, online
Just missed
against
that
another
tag.
Josh Taylor. I hate when I have to fight the same character as me. That's annoying, but at the same time, it's cool because I think nobody better than me with Josh Taylor. I just know a couple things that people don't know. You know what I'm saying? I might make a video on that explaining certain things that people don't know about Josh Taylor. Josh Taylor is a slept on character and undisputed. I think everybody should check him out. You know what I'm saying? This game dope. I think if you don't got the game, you should think about it at least checking it out, man. But it do got
It
some
is standing
downsides.
room
And to
only.
me,
Every
I
seat has
think the
been
bad
sold in this
the bad
amazing
don't outweigh the
theater.
good. So it's worth copping, man. It's worth it. I paid $80 for it and I think it's worth the 80. On rank you got some tryhards and some hook spammers, but once you learn how to beat those,
No rest for the
then you
weary.
can, really get some good games in. It really feel like a real boxing, real boxing match. Cause to me, this was high level chess between me and this fighter. He was a good fighter,
This has
man,
been a
hands
very
down. Like he was a real
competitive
good
round
fighter.
between these two.
He just, quit it. They just quit when they lose. But he was a real good fighter, man. And I beat him the way I beat him. It was dope. It was good gameplay and stuff. But yeah, man, I don't like talking too much on these videos. I like to let y'all actually watch the footage
And reaction
and let
time.
me,
You've got to get
tell
up
me
quick
what y'all
to
think
punch
about
your
the footage,
opponent
man.
before he gets his
But
fist back.
besides that, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the video, man. I'm out.
Make them react from that, then react then. I know it's hard to think that way, but counter punchers, they're watching your every move, that every twitch.
This round's still up for grabs with just 10 seconds to go. Well, it's no secret who has the advantage after that last round. Let's see what they have in. They ring the bell, and here we go. That round was complete domination. Let's see if we can shake things up here in this round.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you won that hands down.
It's code red time for Josh Taylor. Was not a good moment for him, but seems like he's out of the dark place.
Bean Days now needs to steady the pace. Get the pace back to normal.
They better start respecting each other's punching power. We're at the halfway point of this round, and both of these fighters have had their moments. Still could go either way. This counter puncher is going to wait for you to move first, and then will strike like a snake. Keep an eye on this guy.
To beat a counter puncher, you've got to take them out of their pace. Do not wait for them.
One of the best fighters Scotland's ever produced is in trouble. How did they survive that?
Got caught sleeping on the job. What do? You step back, steady yourself, recompose yourself, and boom.
Down goes Josh Taylor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you all right?
So it's plan B time after being knocked down in that round. We're hoping for an all-action slugfest. He got knocked down in the last round. Let's see what he can do here.
That knockdown we just saw was a heavy knockdown. I'd be very, very surprised if he'll come out fresh as a daisy. That's not gonna happen. He's got a hustle, man. He's got a bluff it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me your glove.
The referee says they can continue, but how much more do they have left?
But now it's about getting back to the corner, freshen up, getting new instructions given to you, and they've got to G you up. They've got to tell you what you're doing wrong and what you're doing right.
They've got to pick things up halfway through the round here. The jab doesn't quite connect.
Ever hope. Remember the fight at Evander Holyfield? He could be behind on points until the last 10 seconds, but he's fighting like he's going to pull it back. That's the kind of heart we need to see.
The hand speed in these lighter divisions is always so impressive. You can sneak in a power shot every once in a while and sit down on it. It's code red time now for Josh Taylor.